Myntri Badai Peit tnat tourism ke Meghalaya ba Paul Lyngdoh ulaong Tang Kiba Dei Hok kiban Ioh Jaka di Madan bala pynbeit ka sorkar hadien bala pyntreikam bynta jong ka Khyndailad kum ka Jaka iaid kjat kaba lait nongdie Madan uba Paul ulaong kani kakam ban pynkynriah nongdie Madan kala iaid shakhmat bat shen la khmih lynti ba ansala ban pyndep no.
We are enhancing facilities for their welfare, including proper vending zones. Now, yesterday itself, I had spoken to the CEO of the Shillong Municipal Board, and he has given me the latest situation, picture of the latest situation, which is that they are relocating. Vending zones have been identified. Now they are going into individual cases as to which individuals will occupy which space depending on their trade and the kind of activities that they are undertaking. So, we are inching towards closing this chapter. And yesterday I have also had a separate meeting with the Director of Tourism in order to ensure that we have an alternative plan in mind, which is to turn that area into a hawker-free zone and an area where only pedestrians can utilize.
Well, sir,
The process has already started. We should be able to wind it up as soon as we get all the details of these various streets, because you would understand that we can't, in one space, we can't have 3-4 persons who are in the same business. Okay, and then there are some other of these vendors who also say use sources of energy like fire. Again, we have to ensure from the fire safety point of view. All those are being worked on.
so by when is it likely to get over?
I can't give you a definite time frame but we are closing very soon, and we will make this fresh announcement, because our target was August 15, but the identification of trades and the names of individuals, this has taken more time than expected.
What exactly is the number of hawkers and the area where these hawkers will be?
No, at the moment, our main focus is Khyndailad, where there is roughly around 200 such hawkers, and these will be accommodated within Khyndailad itself.
Which part?
I don't have the details right now, because the vending zones have been identified. Now the details are available with Urban Affairs Department, but once the list is finalized, they will come back and report to me. As this is a joint venture between the departments of Urban Affairs and Tourism Department as well.
Khyndailad means that whole from which part to which part will be?
As you enter inside, meaning from the point where the old civil hospital is located, and then you go straight down. On your right, you go towards Jail Road, and as you go to the left, up to Sun Junction. Yeah, that's the area.
That whole area.
Yeah.